G'day DPR Innovation folks. I am Alan Zhang from the Singapore office. Over here, I'm looking after the Global Sourcing Initiative. When I say global, I mean Asia. Everything that you use is probably made in Asia anyway. For example, one of these. It could be good quality too. In a nutshell, what I'm doing here, we're comparing prices of what you're getting in the US versus here, and potentially sourcing it from here as well. We're also looking at products that are not available in the US, and hopefully in the client's eyes, this will become one of the differentiating factors for selecting DPR for a job. So if you have any great ideas, or you feel like you're just getting ripped off by your suppliers on certain products, send me an email at alanz@dpr.com down here, and I'll be happy to look into them for you. Stay tuned, and you'll start to see some of the products that we're looking into shortly. And definitely remember me when you do. Peace out.
My name is Xing Xuan. I'm from DPR Asia Pacific Singapore office. Right now I'm working on the Iron Mountain Data Center project. What we are doing now is we are demolishing level 2, 3 and 4 offices, and then we're going to retrofit it to a new data center. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Rizal. I'm the safety professional for DPR Asia Pacific Singapore. I'm heavily involved in Iron Mountain Data Center project. So I hope that my presence here will help the company and also our subcontractors to work hand in hand with us to ensure our safety for everyone here in the workplace. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Katie Meek, and I work with DPR Asia Pacific, the Singapore office, and I am a project engineer here in this office. We are working on currently a few different projects. The one that I'm specifically involved with is a company that's actually based in San Diego, California. So a client that's in California also has offices in Singapore. They're doing a lot of office remodeling, so they're really kind of growing by leaps and bounds out here. So they're taking over different units and existing buildings, and we are doing kind of their tenant improvements and build outs. Currently, we are finishing up a couple little items for them, including some mechanical works, and then we also just finished putting in a bid to work on a 400 square meter, which is a little less than 5,000 square feet, seminar room. So that's kind of what I do here, and we're excited for the future, kicking off a new data center.